Sorry about the bumper. This off-road Beetle is so much fun. Get that junk out of the way!
Brakes aren't responding well.
Careful, there's a bend ahead. I'm late for the birthday. Gotta speed up. Loving this road. It's like flirting with death at every turn. You're blocking the whole road with that thing. Sorry about the bumper.
Hey, quit shoving, moron.
Then get out of the way. Where did all these cars come from?
Push someone today, fall tomorrow. Karma doesn't miss.
This off-road Beetle is so much fun.
At this speed, the fun's gonna end in the hospital.
You're so annoying. Shut up.
Slow down. There's a sharp turn ahead.
The only thing that should be shut is your mouth.
Come on, Land Rover, show us your off-road power.
Bro, wasn't there a less flashy color available?
No, and I love green apple.
That was close, too close.
This part of the road is way too narrow. What just happened? What the hell was that police car doing there? Something's not right. I think the wheel snapped.
Full tank. Time to hit the gas. Too many cops on the road. This isn't good. Sorry, police.
Hey, take it easy. You're speeding like crazy.
Nobody asked.
I'm feeling sick. Please slow down.
Shut up. What the hell was that?
do these lunatics think they're going? Do you all have a screw loose or what?
Get that junk out of the way! Crap! The wheel's locked up. Hey! Come get your bumper, Junkman! My foot's stuck on the gas! Oh my God! Let's see how good this suspension really is. What the hell? I think we just flipped.
Dad, where are we going?
We're heading to the camp, darling. I heard this road is really dangerous.
But you drive. Well, don't be afraid.
Not bad.
The RS6 isn't the right car for this road.
Yeah, it had to be an off-road vehicle. But we'll reach our destination, God willing. This car is vibrating way too much.
This is why sports cars should stay on pavement.
Brakes aren't responding well. Come on, brakes. Don't leave me hanging.
Sorry. This ain't a checkpoint. Move that thing. I hate the color of your car.
I hate anyone who talks bad about my car.
Shut up!
You shut up.
You're an idiot!
You're dumb. Sorry about the side mirror.
Careful, there's a bend ahead. No time to waste. I'm already running late. All right, who's first on my overtake list? Ah! Ah! I'm late for the birthday. Gotta speed up. I don't like the look of this road. Then take it slow. Ah!
But I know that you have whatever.